And special thanks to our friends at Icreefun who are nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max case in black. Let's open it up, see what we have. So, very nice iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This one is completely black all the way around it. No other colors here. Nice clear back here, where that way you can see whatever color iPhone you have. Of course, if you have a dark gray or black iPhone 15 Pro Max, it would blend very well in this case. Nice speaker cutout, nice spot for your magnetic charging, power button, volume rockers, speaker grills and charger, and even some nice padding on the corners for in case you drop your phone. And special thanks to our friends at Icreefun who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Let's open it up, take a look at it, and look at this. Beautiful, very nice. Wow, I love this case. This is, if I get an iPhone 15 Pro Max, this would be the case I would put on it. I mean, I love that multicolor look. Love that you can see completely through the back so you can still see the color of your iPhone. The cutouts for your speaker and charger, power button, volume rocker, and then even some extra padding here on the corners so that way when you drop it, it has some extra protection. Absolute beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This is my number one for sure right now. And special thanks to our friends at Icreefun who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This is the Starlight color. Let's open it up. So inside of the box is the nice case. Wow, look at that. So as you can see, the back of the case is completely see-through to be able to see whichever color iPhone 15 Pro Max you have. You have a very nice silver cream color here along the back, as well as your magnets there for your wireless charging. All the ports on the bottom for your speaker grill and your charger, and your volume rockers over here, and power button. Love the extra little protection on the ends. This seems like it would nicely protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So that'll do it for this iPhone 15 Pro Max Starlight case. Thanks again to this company who sent it to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.